Today we are going to see family relations in German. So there is a table in which some words are there related to family relations in English, and uh, according to that there are a few words, the meanings of those English words in German. Okay. So the first word is elter, that is elders. Whoever is there, elders are elter. Then Großeltern. Großeltern meaning just for grandmother, grandfather, they are called as Großeltern, meaning big elders. So the proper meaning is big elders. And for grandfather, it is Opa. Okay. For grandmother, in German, it is Oma. Then for father, Vater. It is not Vater because V is pronounced as F in German. For mother, it is Mutter. Again, here there is single U without umlaut. So it is pronounced as U. Unlike in English. English, it is pronounced as U, right? If there is U. But in German, it is U. So it is Mutter for mother. Then for sister, it is Schwester in German. So again, whenever at the beginning of the word SCH, whenever it comes, it is pronounced as sh. Okay, so that is clear. So for sister, it is Schwester. For brother, it is Bruder. Again, just like Mutter, there is a single U without umlaut. Whenever there is umlaut with U, the two dots above U, then it is pronounced as EU and not U. Okay, clear? So for brother, it is Bruder. For son, it is Sohn in German. So again, here the H is silent. So it is pronounced as Sohn for son. Then for daughter, it is Tochter. Tochter, because here after T, it is AU. So AU is O. So that is to, and CH is K. So it is Tochter for daughter. Now for uncle, it is Onkel. Okay, it is uncle, not uncle. Again, the same like you, it is for O also, whenever there is umlaut, it is O. Okay, and without umlaut, just single O, it is pronounced as O. So for uncle, it is onkel. For aunt, it is tante. Tante. Whenever there is E at the end, after T, okay, so there is a rule that it is called as just tante, not tante. Tante is also correct. It is not wrong. But usually in German colloquial language, it is called as tante. E is little bit silent. Then for husband, it is man. So the spelling is M-A-N-N. It is not man, just like English, but it is unlike in English, it is called as man. M-A. Whenever there comes A, it is A and not A. So it is man. And then for wife, it is called as Frau. Okay, so there are two meanings for Frau. So for wife also, there is Frau. And for Mrs., if you are calling somebody with like Mrs. X or Mrs. Y. So it is Frau X, Frau Y, Frau Z. It's like that. So there are two meanings for Frau. One is wife and one is Mrs. Then comes cousin. For cousin, the spelling is same as in English. Cousin. But pronunciation is little different than English. It is cousin. Like for recipes, we call in English, no, cuisine. It is like that. So the pronunciation is cuisine. So cousin is cuisine. So the same as in English, cousin sister is cousin sister. Cousin brother is cousin Bruder. Okay, cousin Schwester and cousin Bruder. So that's all for today. Thank you.